Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Zoom on your Mac. There's a lot of classes right now, especially in Canada, that are currently a part of online learning right now. And sorry, I totally blanked out there for a second. Online learning right now, and a lot of colleges and high schools are using Zoom. So I'm going to show you how to install it and where to find it and everything like that. So just open your internet browser. From here, just write Zoom into Google. Here, let me just go google.ca, and then from here write Zoom, and from here don't click this one, just hit download, and I'll bring you down to the download section, and we're just gonna hit download here, and we're not gonna want to touch anything, just save it where you can find it, and I'm gonna hit save. And from here, you can see that there. Double click. Introduction. And where you want it installed. So you can either get it installed on all users or just your user. I'm going to hit all users. And then it has to have 64.2 megabytes of space, which is fine. You can also change. You have to go back and change it, but no, we're going to keep it. And then hit install. And then here you're going to write your password. Got it right, and installation was successful. Hit X, you're going to close, and it will automatically start, which is perfect. And there you go. You can either join a Zoom session or start a new meeting, etc. And that's it for that video. Thanks for watching, guys. This is How to Tech Tips. Don't forget to keep teching on.